Reagan, Everling.
And I'm Sertell. This is our GP cell project.
In our project, we're going to be comparing car parts to cell organelles. So stay tuned. Here is the nucleus of our car, aka the engine. This is the nucleus of our car because it controls the things. Here's the nucleus of our cell. This is because this makes a copy of information and gives it to us, just like the nucleolus makes cheap copies of DNA and RNA.
The catalytic converter can be compared to the smooth ER because it helps with the breakdown of the emissions coming out of the car to make it safe for the environment. Much like the smooth ER helps the cell break down things inside of it. It's right here. The rough ER can be compared to the alternator because the alternator is a site where energy is produced, much like the rough ER is a site where protein synthesis is in the cell, which is also where energy is produced. The spark plugs can be compared to the Golgi apparatus because the spark plugs spark, combusting the fuel, which throws the piston down to turn the camshaft, which powers the car. This can be compared to the cell, which in the cell the Golgi apparatus packages the proteins and sends the proteins to where they need to be for energy.
Under there. This is a battery, but it's like the mitochondria of a cell because, like in a cell, the battery stores energy for the car to run. Here's the chloroplast of our car. This is the chloroplast because it takes in sunlight, just like chloroplast does, and it turns on the lights.
The gas tank is like the vacuole because it holds fuel for the car to run, much like the vacuole holds water and lipids for the cell to run. Lysosomes are like the oil in the car because, like in the cell, the lysosomes keep the cell clean, and in a car, the oil keeps the engine clean.
Here's our cytoskeleton, aka our car frame. That is because that thing holds the car together just like a cytoskeleton does. This is the centriole of our car, aka the roof, and the reason that this is the centriole of our car is because it divides off the car.
This is our car's cell membrane. It's like the cell membrane because it protects the car, and it also has pores for things to enter through the cell membrane.
And here's the gas, but in a cell, this would be the ribosomes. That's because this is the protein of the car.